Hello everyone, I'm Sallieann Harrison and today I'm here to talk to you about my quilt, which is called Sunny Dresden. See, it's behind me. It's actually made up of 9 Dresden plates set on a white background, so they're appliqued on. Then there's a pieced border, a plain border, and then it's followed by a flying geese border. I called it Sunny Dresden because the sun just seems to shine out of it. So there's your finished Dresden plate without its centre. Okay, so let's go on to the centre. Now all I've done is I've used the template to cut myself a circle of yellow fabric, which I've then paired with a piece of ordinary sew-in violin. You don't want to use the iron-on stuff, just the sew-in stuff, because you don't really want the glue in there.